Hi guys, welcome to my channel A1 Kitchen. I'm also the CEO of A1 Concepts. So right now I'm about to do moi moi. I actually love taking moi moi, most especially with pap. So please, while watching my video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and also give me your contribution, what you think about my ingredients for my moi moi. You also have the different ingredients which you can use, so I just want to do something simple today, and maybe as time goes on I'll be changing my recipes and all that. So actually I want to do moi moi, and here is my beans. I've washed it. There are so many ways you can remove the peelings from the beans, so I've actually done that already. But in the market, if you don't really have time to wash your beans like mine, you can go to the market and get already washed beans. They sell it in the supermarkets. Shop right here, you're going to get it. So this is my beans. I have my onion. These are red peppers, my onion. I have my scotch bonnet and habanero pepper, and here are my dried shrimps. So I'll proceed by pouring my beans into my blender. Okay, I'll go and add my dry shrimps. You can use crayfish if you don't have shrimps, but I love using shrimps. It gives this good taste in your food and it's more healthier than crayfish. I'll add my peppers, my red bell pepper, just for the color. There are some people that would like to use paprika for their coloration, but I love using red bell pepper just to have that reddish color. Add my onion. Okay, this is water. I've actually warmed it. I love using warm water. To me, it gives my moi moi a very nice consistency compared to cold water. So I'll be adding warm water for blending. I think that's enough. Yeah, I'll actually go ahead and blend my beans. Okay, yes. Okay, yes, my beans are poured in a bowl. One of the advantages of using warm water in mixing your moi moi is that it makes your moi moi fluffy compared to cold water. So I'm actually using no seasoning cubes. I'm going to put some into my moi moi. I have some spice here. I actually got this from ShopRite and I tried it once with moi moi and the moi moi tastes so good, so I'm actually going to put some. You can use any spice of your choice, but I love this particular one. It's actually mixed spiced, one of these Chinese stuff. I'll be adding some olive oil. I always love my moi moi soft and tasty. Add some salt. You have to be very, very careful because beans and salt are not friendly. I think that's enough. I also have some eggs, boiled eggs, which I'm going to add subsequently. I'll just stir. It's actually still thick, so I'll be adding some warm water. And yes, my chicken stock. My chicken stock. So let me just add small. Oops. Okay, I think that's enough. So I'm going to stir and taste for salt. Add some seasoning cubes. Okay. And a pinch of salt to it. I think it's enough now. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm okay with what I have. So I'll be using this plate to cook my moi moi. You can actually use leaf if you like. I love using plates, so I'm going to plate the moi moi. While plating the moi moi, let me just on my gas so that my water will be steaming. Get boiled. Okay, so I'm actually plating my moi moi. It depends anyway, just that I couldn't find the leaf, so I decided to use my plate. And this plate is usually for emergency. There are some people that will prefer to use foil. So and while using plates, you have to be very careful not to fill it to the brim, because you have to allow space for the beans to rise. I think I love what I'm saying. Okay. No, it's always good to add your moi moi in a preheated water. In that case, it will rise very fast and will get cooked very fast. And this is the last one. Okay. So I'm going to add my eggs, my boiled eggs. So I'm going to cover it, and my water is already boiled, so one after the other I'll place it into the pot very carefully. Wow. Now I'll allow my moi moi to cook for 45 to 1 hour. I want it to be cooked very well. So right now I'll just wait when my moi moi is ready. Once again, I will say thank you for tuning into my channel, and please subscribe to my channel. And what any of your contribution and your question, anything you want to know about A1 Kitchen, please just write me, and as soon as possible you're going to receive your answer. Thank you very much. And moi moi is ready, so let me open it. Wow, this is looking delicious. Oh my god, look at how beautiful it looks. Thank you very much for tuning into my channel, and please subscribe and click on the like button. God bless you.